Welcome to this quick tour of RollCall-Audio, a wireless microphone control system with request-to-speak functionality. The circled illustration on the right shows the RollCall-Audio system control screen. This is the touchscreen interface that the chairperson uses to manage the microphones in a meeting to ensure the discussions are carried out in a fair and orderly fashion. Our customers can choose the type of input device they want to use to vote and to request to speak. For example, the user on the left is using an app that has been downloaded onto a tablet. The user on the right is using a proprietary radio frequency keypad. RollCall-Audio is so easy to use that almost no training is required. One person, usually the chairperson, turns microphones on and off just by touching a member's icon. Here's a closer look at the screen that the chairperson would use to manage the microphones. Each icon represents a microphone, and they've been arranged to mirror the placement of the microphones within the room from the chairperson's perspective. The chair's microphone is shown in yellow when active. In this case, Westwood is the chair. The chair has two options for managing the microphones. From left to right, the chair can turn on one microphone at a time or allow multiple microphones to be active simultaneously. As we mentioned before, one of the key features of this system is in managing the request-to-speak process. The button on the left can be pressed to activate the next microphone in the queue. And by the way, this action by itself also automatically turns off the previously activated microphone. The button on the right clears out all the request-to-speak if needed. Let's work through an example of a request-to-speak sequence on an item under consideration by a legislative group. Notice that we're in one mic at a time mode, and a member named Irons with microphone 9 has requested to speak. Also notice the yellow stripe on Irons' icon. This means he's first in the queue. Next, a member named Credit requests to speak and is added to the queue. Member Queen with microphone 5 has also requested to speak and is in the queue. You can tell she's number 3 in the queue because of the number 3 above the star on her icon. Here you can see that member Loosefree's mic is active. In this case, the chair selected this microphone outside of the request-to-speak order, sort of breaking the rules of strictly following the order of the queue. The ability to do this is a feature that was requested by several of our customers. The advantage here is that it gives the chair the flexibility to allow someone to speak who, for example, may have subject matter expertise that's needed to answer a question posed by another member. This is the RollCall-Audio info panel, the screen view that's displayed or projected during the meeting for the participants. As you can see, there are 2 microphones active, and there are 3 individuals in the request-to-speak queue. Everyone knows who has the floor and the request-to-speak order. One of the major advantages of this system is that it's plug-and-play. When you purchase a RollCall-Audio system, you tell us the number of microphones in your meeting room, the names of your members, and their seating arrangement in the room, and then we customize the microphone layout for you. It comes to you ready to use right out of the box. There's no on-site programming involved, which saves you money and implementation time. That concludes our brief tour of RollCall-Audio. We hope we've answered your questions about the basic functionality of this system. If you'd like more detailed information on RollCall-Audio, please review the audio systems portion of our RollCall Systems website. You're also welcome to call us at 312-493-7558 or email us at info@rollcallsystems.com.